Hey guys, welcome back to a video, and I haven't made a video in a while. It's still a little bit sunny out, but I'm playing Guitar Hero 3. But today we're going to be doing something special. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on 3 games. They were supposed to be coming on Saturday, The Sims came on Wednesday, and these 2 came today. So let's go first with... Oh, wait. Can't show you that. Half-Life Counter-Strike. It's got everything. It's just got one disc in the front with the code, which I don't know why they made it like that. It is made by Valve and Sierra. Well, Sierra helped. Nice game. I think I already have it in the back. It's just regular, nothing really special. Sims Deluxe Edition. This isn't a case that you would get from the Sims Deluxe Edition case, but hey, at least it's a game case thing. So first, I'm gonna open this up, and the first thing we see is a fallen out case of Sims. So SimCity 4 thing, and we got Sims Deluxe Edition CD1. Really cool part about this case, if it would like to cooperate. Okay, so the really cool part about this case is that it does this. Really nice. It's really cool. I can't show you the back. It's got the CD key in it. It's actually a really long CD. Wait, definitely go. And it's got the disc CD2 and that thing. And we got GTA 3. There's no CD key, so I don't have to cover anything. So, oh, that's the back. I hate this. This case is really obnoxious. So we got the main character Claude. We got the people on the front of it. We got the main character Claude. Right there, we got CD install, which actually is really fast, and we got the play disc, and we got Welcome to Liberty City. Real quick and we got this. So that was it of today's video. I hope you liked it. Here's my PS3 collection, bullcrap like that. There's my moose. Goodbye.